Hey, what's up guys? And in today's video I'm going to be telling you all about the photo burst feature. Now what this feature allows you to do is take several photos at once, like all at once. Now it's available in all iOS devices, including iPhones, iPads, and iPod touches. So let's get into this.
FaceTime.
So first I'm going to
Double tap to
my
open.
camera app
Actions available. Photo. Camera.
and double tap
Double tap
to
to open. Camera.
Now I'm going to
Flash.
swipe over to
Off.
the Take
Button.
Photo button.
Timer. Fill. View. Camera. Photo and take picture. Button.
Now I'm going to double tap on it and hold it.
5 pictures taken. 23 pictures taken. 43 pictures taken. 63 pictures taken. 85 pictures taken. 105 pictures taken.
Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough, for a photo burst. That is way too many, but, it's alright. So, now let's click on Photo and Video Viewer.
Photo and Video Viewer. Button. Back button.
And here are the pictures I just took.
Today, all photo, burst, 124 photos, burst.
Now, you all may not be able to see them on my screen here, but basically the point of this video is to tell you or show you whatever how to do a photo burst or take a photo burst. The point is not to show you the photo burst that I just took. So anyways, that's the end of this video. Hope you all enjoyed.
Alt to back button. Flash off button.
And if you did, drop a like.
Switch between flash modes.
Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I'll talk to y'all next time. Peace out, guys.